Antarctica is the coldest and driest continent on Earth. The continent is almost entirely covered in ice, with an average thickness of around 1.9 kilometers. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent, with a total area of 14.2 million square kilometers. There are no permanent human residents on the continent, although there are research stations that house scientists and support staff during the summer months. The South Pole, which is located in Antarctica, experiences 6 months of continuous daylight and 6 months of continuous darkness. The continent was first discovered in 1820 by a Russian expedition led by Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen and Mikhail Lazarev. Antarctica is home to the world's largest ice sheet, which covers almost 98% of the continent. The continent is also home to the world's largest desert, with an area of around 14 million square kilometers. Antarctica has no native plant or animal species, although there are a few hardy species that have adapted to the harsh conditions, such as penguins, seals, and some types of algae. The Antarctic Treaty, which was signed in 1959, designates the continent as a scientific preserve and prohibits military activity on the continent. Antarctica is the only continent without a time zone. The continent has no rivers, lakes, or groundwater. The largest glacier in Antarctica is the Lambert Glacier, which is around 400 kilometers long and up to 100 kilometers wide. Antarctica is home to several active volcanoes, including Mount Erebus, which is the southernmost active volcano in the world. The largest iceberg ever recorded broke off from the Ross Ice Shelf in 2000. It was around 295 kilometers long and 37 kilometers wide. Antarctica is the windiest continent on Earth, with some areas experiencing wind speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. The ozone hole, which was first discovered in 1985, is located over Antarctica and is caused by human-produced chemicals. The southernmost city in the world, Ushuaia, Argentina, is the gateway to Antarctica for many visitors. Antarctica is the highest continent, with an average elevation of around 2,500 meters above sea level. The first person to set foot on Antarctica was Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen in 1911. The ice on Antarctica is so heavy that it actually depresses the continent's landmass, causing it to sink by up to 1 millimeter per year. The South Pole has an elevation of around 2,835 meters above sea level. Antarctica has no trees, bushes, or shrubs. The aurora australis, or southern lights, can often be seen in Antarctica. The continent is home to the world's driest place, the dry valleys, which haven't seen rainfall for more than 2 million years. The Southern Ocean, which surrounds Antarctica, is the smallest and youngest of the world's oceans. The Antarctic Peninsula is one of the fastest warming regions on Earth, with average temperatures increasing by around 3 degrees Celsius over the past 50 years. The ice sheet on Antarctica contains around 70% of the world's fresh water. Antarctica is the only continent that has no indigenous human population. The continent's coastline is almost 18,000 kilometers long. The highest point on Antarctica is Vinson Massif, which has an elevation of 4,892 meters above sea level. Antarctica is the only continent where there are no reptiles or amphibians. Subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.